Let's talk about the rain as it's going to move east as well. Of course, tonight, Dr. Forbes touched on the severe thunderstorms, but the rain will extend up into the northern plains. Tomorrow, Great Lakes all the way down towards the Gulf Coast, and some of those Gulf Coast locations into Louisiana, Mississippi could even see some severe weather, as well as East Texas. Sunday, it's the southeast that gets in on rain, and that could be heavy at times. Places from Alabama up into upstate South Carolina, 3 to 5 inches. Notice that's in a few areas back into parts of Louisiana and Mississippi as well. So some high totals, even in parts of the southeast, Dave, are definitely possible as we go through the week.
With Alex.
It's going to be a big one. We've got World Series Game 3. That's where we'll start. The Mets now playing host to the Royals. Royals up 2-0. Temps in the 50s and upper 40s through this one in Flushing, New York. So looks like a great one. Winds, rather, will be staying generally below 10 miles an hour. So there's some good news for you as well. Halloween tomorrow, all quiet into the parts of the southwest. Dave just mentioned that the rain will be into the northwest. So Seattle, Portland, you'll watch for some of that wet weather. Bismarck looks good. Parts of the Dakotas and Nebraska look good. Great Lakes, though, down to the Gulf Coast. That's where we've got the risk of showers. Along the East Coast, dry for Halloween. But look what happens on Sunday. The southeast, even up into the northeast, we'll see rain showers move in. Places like Chicago dry out for the second half of the weekend. And don't forget, you turn those clocks back so you get an extra hour to enjoy the sunshine in Chicago. Earlier in the afternoon, a little bit of a break in there, but up towards Tulsa, you've got a little dry time. It's north of you where you are seeing some of the heavier, steadier rain showers. Texas, down towards Galveston and Freeport, that's where we have rain, the heaviest rain out over the Gulf of Mexico. But notice back into Austin, not everywhere are we seeing rain, but we still have the flash flood warnings in effect, and that's because the water is still high in many areas. So you do not want to head out there and drive through those flooded roadways. This is especially something to remember as the sun goes down. You do not want to be out there and find yourself traveling over a road that doesn't look like it's got much water on it, but has much more than you thought. So after dark can be especially dangerous. If you don't have to travel, I would just stay put for the evening. And those flash flood warnings go from south of Austin all the way up towards Waco. A little break then around Corsicana, another flash flood warning. Notice some thunderstorms in the area. Waco, it's McLennan County under that flash flood warning until 6:30. All right, what do the next 7 days hold for us, and when will they see some dry time